Sani Bonani Nijani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are doing well. Please make sure you subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you leave a comment and try and engage with us. Today we're speaking about Lerato Kganyago. Lerato Kganyago, former Miss Soweto, former SABC1 presenter, and currently Metro FM presenter, who's known for getting married, or who's married to a tycoon or a businessman known as Tammy Dlala. She has just shared with us that she has been followed. So we have bad news for Lerato. Lerato Kganyago says she has been brave and then she has been followed for the past few days or for the past few months. She says that she is aware of the people that are following her. And at some stage, she has tried to actually go and approach them as they were trying to follow her as she was going to the mall. She also said that if sometimes she goes to the mall or she goes to the restaurant, these people, they also try and follow her. And then she unayo footage yalabantu, and footage, she then said these people are not just working by themselves, they're working with the police, which is a bit very confusing. What does she mean if she says these people are working with the police? Ke uhambile kwabhala ku social media ke washo ukuthi uyabona ukuthi uyazi ukuthi khona abantu abamfuna ama comment kabe ehlukeneyo ku social media. Obviously abanye bethi ngeke phela ufike ushade nesigebengu bese ucabanga ukuthi uzophila kahle. Lerato Kganyago's husband is Tammy Dlala. Tammy Dlala is a businessman who has been accused with a lot of fraud in different avenues. Undlanya udela ne-property in Pretoria. He's got a Ndlanya Mall. They have hotels. Yo, rich or relato guys. They have hotels. They have buildings, they have malls, they have restaurants. No husband wife. We all know that futhi mangabe we Valentine urelato ngelinye ilanga wakavalelwa stadium ngoba na ukuthi kumele celebrate Valentines, ngelanga wathengelwa ke iwotela, and she's also known for going on holiday nebizayo. She's also known for having a gym and a pool in her house with her dogs, and yeah, so she's very rich. She drives one of the biggest cars when she goes to Metro FM, and she's always been very vocal. The fact that there are people who hate her, people who doesn't like her, and all of that. And then she said yesterday, today I cleverly set up a trap and managed to catch some folks who've been following me around. This went happened in a restaurant. This went happen in a restaurant, and let me tell you, things are about to get interesting. I've got footage of every single one of them, and some police members are involved. I intentionally chose a restaurant that I was aware lacked a diverse demographics, as I anticipated that they would be more noticeable there and the way. As much as I had bravely set up this trap, I'm very grateful that there are people from the restaurant and security that alerted me that there are people who are following me and were asking about my whereabouts, where I was sitting and what time I had arrived at the restaurant. Unfortunately for them, I had captured each and every one of them from when they walked in the restaurant, where they sat, and when they all started moving and made a way out. I'm okay, I'm safe at home. I don't mean to scare you, but be vigilant, document everything and protect yourself. I will always look and sound happy because that's what keeps me alive in spirit. My fear is worn out. I do not fear anymore. You uthi Lerato akasesabi anymore. Ngoba shuthu uyazi ukuthi angafani nomenini. Ama-comment abathi abantu hayibo wena ungafika udese uguzumela bese ucabanga ukuthi impilo yakho izoba right. So abanye abantu ke bayathi ke kungenzeka ukuthi this has to do with everything, has to do with everything and everything with her husband. So abantu believe that ukuthi shuthi bafuna ukumkidnapha ke ule right ukuze uhusband wakhe akwazi ukuthi akhiphe imali. We do not know ke we wish uRelato the best and we hope ukuthi bangamkidnap ngoba seba-exposile ke phela even though angapostanga ama-video but those people they are aware. But see, the problem is they're not gonna stop, but maybe she must start having bodyguards because she can afford to have bodyguards.